So yeah, move a little to the, my left, your right. A little more. Actually, like a foot more.
A foot more. Okay.
Yeah.
God dang. That much room?
Yeah, we have a lot of room actually. So there you go. All right, now perfect. It's perfect. Now you're out of the shot. Perfect.
Out of the shot. God dang.
Woo! What's up, everybody? Welcome to a new episode, First Time Recycling. Got myself Hero.
Alvin
over there. Superstars of the show.
Yeah.
Today,
and also we can't forget about the Giant.
Oh yeah.
In the background.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I know it's been neglected. It's a neglected superstar.
But not today. So today we have a plan to get that list over there. I don't know if you can see it, but we have a restore project list with a number of episodes that we plan to do for this bike.
Yeah. So if you notice, we have multiple things on the wall. So we're actually going to be adding a lot of our projects on this wall as we continue. So you'll see some from our other channel, First Timers.
Yep.
And also our cycling on here. So you know, if you want to go check out that channel, definitely go and check it out. It'll be up in the upper right-hand corner. Yep. So our right-hand corner that way over him. Yep. But yeah, it's hot in the garage, so if we're sweating a little more than usual, it's over 90 degrees in the garage right now.
It's like a sauna.
It's hot outside anyway, so it is a little cooler, but it's
we're in the shade and it's 90.
Yeah, so it's hot. I'm like, woo! Yeah, so anyway.
So for this episode 1 of this project, we are going to be changing the grips on this Giant. His are very sticky, and like when you grip it, like it literally leaves like prints on your hands.
You can see that, guys. Look how nasty that looks.
Yeah,
and like when you touch it, it's like gooey.
It's gooey. Yeah, it's nasty. So these came off my Intense. I had changed grips on them just because I wanted something more cushy, but these are still good. So we're just gonna be swapping these for these.
Yeah.
So,
and if you guys don't know, this was my first bike that I started riding on when we were mountain biking. It needed a lot of work. We changed out the tires, the chain. It was all rusty. Suspension actually was pretty decent considering.
Yeah, we just aired it properly for his weight, set it up for his size.
And it was good. And the cool thing a lot of people don't realize is Specialized actually helped design
the frame.
So from the rear area, you know, this bike is actually really light, and I'm actually very impressed. Keep in mind there is no disc brakes on here, but it is set up for disc brakes, but there is no disc brakes.
Future project,
yep. As an episode on the board.
Yeah.
And, anyway, guys, let's jump into changing out those guys.
All right.
See how hard it is, and this will be our first time. And again, my hands are already getting sticky. So yeah, let's get these things off.
All right. Woo! Woo!
All right, Hero. So what do you want me to do? Just pull on it?
Just pull on it. And if it's too tight, we can use a razor blade and cut it off. Look at that, Superman power.
Look at that, guys. Look how nasty that is. Just polishing this all up here.
Always wanting to polish stuff.
It's an interesting bar.
Always wanting to polish but never wash.
Should I just scrape off the monkey bar since it's already gone?
No, just leave it. Oh.
How easy that was. It just slid right on there.
We'll leave Intense up because we ride intensely.
Yeah.
We could get rid of this derailleur shifter.
Always trying to get rid of derailleurs.
It's 1x for life.
Alright, so what Hero's doing here is he's loosening up the Allen that's on the other side of the brake lever here. So these are cable, no hydraulic fluid or anything like that. And we're needing to move it over because this grip is a little further than the actual end of the handlebar. So now you can see it actually lines up because we had to move this over now. So do we go too far?
Yeah, too far.
Right there?
Yep.
Perfect. So now we can move this right about there.
Like there.
Alright, so here we go, guys. I'm going to pull this one off here.
Boom.
How nasty that looks on there.
The reason why we wanted to work on this bike is because we feel that this is a good base for anybody who wants to try mountain biking with us. You know, it's nothing too crazy. It's got full suspension. It's a nice frame, made by Giant, designed by Specialized, and you know, it's got some good components. So definite candidate for the modifications we want to do.
We're gonna be pushing this guy right in. Doesn't really look like there's too much to do on this one. And just pop it right in, and
Pop it like it's
you
hot.
can see it looked like Hero crashed a couple times already.
Nope.
Scraped them
Maybe.
up.
Maybe when I let the bike down.
Yay.
Woo!
Alright, we finished. It looks good. Hero will do some close-up shots for you right now while we're talking. But overall, it turned out amazing. I am liking it. The bike feels like a whole different bike.
It's weird.
Yeah.
It's weird. Just the grips.
Yeah, it's
I don't know if it's just in our heads, but I feel like
yeah, it's weird. Grips matter, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see how they feel when we're riding. The other ones were pretty crappy.
they were so bad.
Yeah. This feels like with the little rows, it feels like they'll flex as you're riding, so it'll take some absorption on the hands.
Yeah.
So we'll see how these turn out. I know Hero said he liked them, but he found some other ones that he liked even better for his bike.
I like ODI, and that's what he actually has on his bike too.
On the Specialized,
yeah.
So, but yeah, we figured this is again, guys, this is a great candidate for all the crazy stuff we want to do, right?
Yep, exactly.
So like I said, the e-bike motor will go on here. Hopefully we might be able to find a fork setup maybe a little different, but these are rock shock. What's it called, center shock and front shock. So they seem amazing. But again,
yeah, the technology in this bike it's not so much. I mean, you have some rebound adjustment, but that's it. Which is good for entry level bike anyways. You as long as it's full suspension, we're happy there.
Yeah. No, like I said, it was a good bike. It wasn't shifting and all that good stuff. So that'll be another thing we'll have to look at on here. But I mean, we've already dropped it down from 3 gears to 2.
Yeah.
So we'll see if we can get that. But like I said, guys, in the next video, we will be doing some other fun stuff.
We're gonna change the tires and overall general checkup on the bike, so we know what we need.
Yeah.
To replace, or if anything, address.
Yeah. Hopefully you enjoyed that. It was a quick changeover on handlebars and
handlebar grips. Yep.
Handlebar grips, and yeah. Well, like I said, the next thing will be maintenance, probably straightening out this bar, tires, and yeah.
Yep.
Have some fun. Anyway.
Hopefully you liked the video.
Smash that like. I mean, smash.
Smash.
The like. Yeah.
Boom.
Yeah.
See you next time on episode 2.
Episode 2.
Laters.
Peace, guys.
Peace.
Laters.
Woo.